Hey, what's going on, everybody? Check this out. This is a brand new battery. All right. So, as you may remember, I made a video a few weeks ago regarding my battery being corroded. Check this out now. Your car doesn't start, right? Booyah. Or booyah. Look at the corrosion. 1 million years later. Look at that. That looks better, right? Look at that. Battery looks new. Of course, I'm gonna have to replace it shortly, one of these days, but for now we're good. And I did everything possible to try to save that battery, and that battery actually lasted through 30 below temperatures here in Minnesota. But today, as you can see, it's still snowing, cold outside. The battery just died. Literally, the car would not start today. So I took it in, and let me show you something right quick. I just had this battery tested, and it said the battery is dead. So I got this brand new battery. I couldn't say I saved it. I saved this old battery for a few weeks. The car ran beautifully, but then it just died. Actually, I did something bad. I left the car on, just the lights on. The car itself was off, but the ignition was on. Okay. So 30 minutes later, I tried starting the car just started clicking. So hopefully it's the battery, and I honestly think it's the battery because of this, the paperwork here. But if it's not, then I'm gonna be so disappointed. Hopefully it is. So here we go. So if you have a battery issue, remember the battery can die anytime. Your battery can go bad in minutes, honestly. Okay. Yeah, replace your battery. Just a little tip. If you have a bad battery, remember, it can die anytime. It can leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere, like me. Look at, in the parking lot, bunch of snow everywhere. Okay, this is not a good place to have a dead battery. All right, peace out. Rate this video, thumb this video up if you're my dog. Holla at me. Bye.